Hello friends and hello besties! Here's how much I spent in a 6 days and 5 nights stay in El Nido, Palawan. In this video, I will share with you yung mga nagastos namin mga bestie during our stay in El Nido, Palawan. Let's start! First is flight tickets. We book our round trip tickets via Cebu Pacific for as low as 1,700 pesos ng piso fare nila. Second is transportation. We book our van transfer for our Puerto Princesa to El Nido via Klook for as low as 670 pesos. For our El Nido and Puerto Princesa with Cherry Bus for as low as 1,000 pesos. Next, for our hotel accommodation, we book our stay to Amacan El Nido for as low as 9,000 pesos. Good for 6 days and 5 nights na siya mga besties. Super ganda dito! For our tours in El Nido, Palawan, we book our tours like Tour A, Tour C, and El Nido Canopy Walk via Klook, and ang total namin per person is 3,500 pesos. Napakasulit naman yung mga bestie kasi tignan nyo naman yung view sa El Nido. And lastly, mga bestie, for food and drinks, yung pagkain sa El Nido is medyo expensive, so it depends on your budget. But for me, I spent around 5,000 pesos for 6 days and 5 nights na siya mga bestie, and not bad at all. So that's it mga bestie, yung nagastos namin for our 6 days and 5 nights in El Nido, Palawan. If you want more of these videos, guys, kindly follow me on all my social media accounts. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!